Hello everyone. I just wanted to take just a minute to show you around the online course here. I cannot express enough how important it is that you know how to find the due dates for all of your assignments. So that's the first thing I want to show you. Go to Content, and then we'll just go into Lesson 1. Now, if you look, as I scroll here, for example, the meeting one another activity, right beneath it here, it says due April 22nd at 11 p.m. For me, it is due at 11 p.m. because that is Mountain Standard Time. But if you're in a different time zone, then it might say something different than 11 p.m. In fact, it will. So please make sure that you look at every assignment should have a due date right below it. So for example, for exercise 1.1 part A, that is due April 19th at 11 p.m. So please make sure that you're looking at those and keeping track of the due dates. That is how you find out what exactly the exact day and time that everything is due for you. And again, it adjusts for your time zone. Okay, so that's the first thing I wanted to show you. Second thing is, right when you first come into the class, or if you're already in here and you click up here on the name of our class, it'll bring you to this page here. And this is where you'll see the announcements. This first announcement I already posted. I know it's really long. Normally my announcements are not this long, but since it's the very beginning of the semester, there's a lot of things that you need to do to get familiar with the semester so that it doesn't seem so difficult, so that as you're trying to learn the material, you're not having to also learn how to navigate the course. So please also read through all of this and take the time to become familiar with our course. Feel free to ask me any questions as well. You can reach out to me through email, and if you click on Content and then go to Overview right here and click on that, there's a picture of my bright smiling face, and then right here this shows you my email address, my phone number. You can call or text me. If you do text me, please include your name so I know who you are. And if you email me as well, please include your name so I know who you are. And then here's also my office, my virtual office. So from time to time, I will hold live meetings in my virtual office that you're invited to. And that's how you can get there. It's just by going to that, again up here I clicked on Content, and then I went to Overview, and then I just scrolled down until I found the virtual office. And if you click there, that will bring you to Adobe Connect into my office. Alright, a couple more things about the course. If you click on Discussions, that'll bring you to the discussion boards. For our class, there's really only one discussion board that is required for participation, and that's this Meet One Another activity. Everybody is required to post on that, their initial post, so that we can all get to know you, and then also you are required to respond to, I believe, 3 people. And so the rubric that I used to grade you is going to take into account, did you make your initial post, and did you respond to 3 people appropriately? So that's that assignment, and that's our only discussion board that you're required to participate in. This discussion board right here, Questions and Conversations, is not required, but you may, and there's one for every lesson, and you may post in that discussion board if you have any questions or comments that you want to make about the course or the lesson or whatever. Part of the teaching model for BYU Idaho is to teach one another, and so I would love it if you guys can take advantage of that discussion board as an opportunity to help answer each other's questions as well. It may take me a day or two to get into the discussion board to see your comments, so if you have something that needs my urgent attention, please email it to me and I'll get back to you much quicker that way. If you go to assignment, assignments, that is going to show you all the assignments through the semester that require Dropbox. That means these will, for the most part, be Excel spreadsheets that you'll be turning in, and you'll be submitting them into me. And I'll show you how to do them. So if you're not very familiar with Excel, then don't be afraid of them. I will do my best to help you get through it and to help you learn how to do them. If you click on the quizzes, now when it says quizzes, that includes exams. So when you look at the syllabus and the late work policy, you can see what the differences are there with exams and quizzes. But as far as accessing the quizzes, you can access them through content and then going to that particular lesson, or you can click on quizzes, and this will show all the quizzes, future and current and past, for the whole semester. There's a lot of them. So, okay. And then finally, if you click on grades, and then, or my grades, sorry, and then click on grades, that will take you to the gradebook. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I wanted to show you how to navigate through the course, and I hope you have a fun semester.